The best travel laundry bags. Doing laundry, both indoors and outdoors, can be a chore for many people. This is especially true if you're on a trip and need to set aside your dirty clothes. After all, no one wants to mix clean clothes with soiled ones. So if you travel frequently, a laundry bag is a must-have item for storing your unwashed garments. It is also a bonus if you use a laundry bag that you can use for both travel and household purposes. We've compiled a list of the 5 best travel laundry bags to keep your rooms tidy and organized without any messy pile of clothes. Number 1. Best Double-Stitched Homest Wash Me Travel Laundry Bag. The Homest 2-pack extra large laundry bags are solid, durable, and easy to carry around. They have double-stitched, strong seams that protect them from tearing or ripping. These bags measure 28 by 40 inches and can hold 3 to 4 loads of laundry. The drawstring keeps the clothes from falling off, and the plastic ends keep the string from unknotting. What we like. Keeps clothes odor-free. Multi-purpose bag. Made of sturdy nylon. What we don't like. Size may be larger than expected. Number 2. Best with locking closure. UniLiGis Washable Travel Laundry Bag. UniLiGis Washable Laundry Bag is made of thick nylon material and has a square base, which allows it to hold more laundry than other bags. The square base of this laundry bag keeps it upright even when nearly empty. The handle allows for easy carrying, and a locking closure keeps spills at bay. The bag can accommodate 3 to 4 loads of laundry. What we like. Multifunctional, machine washable, easy to carry, durable design. What we don't like. Not leak-proof. Number 3. Best Zippered. RoomyRoc Mesh Laundry Bag. RoomyRoc's thick and long-lasting laundry bag is made of breathable polyester fabric. You can use it to store undergarments, socks, and other clothing. The bag can be sealed using a zipper, which is durable and of high quality. It comes in sets of 3, with 1 medium and 2 large bags. What we don't like. Machine washable, rust-resistant zipper, tight stitching, unique hanging loops. What we don't like. Can hold only 2 loads of laundry. Number 4. Best with adjustable straps. BeeGreen Moss Green Laundry Backpack Bag. BeeGreen Laundry Bag is made of 100% nylon and can hold 3 to 4 loads of laundry. The bag has adjustable shoulder straps and extra space for detergent or fabric softeners. Its round bottom makes it easy to accommodate more space and store it neatly because it stands independently. The bag is reinforced with X stitching and webbing, making it strong and long-lasting. What we like. Multi-purpose, tear-resistant, buckle clip to prevent opening, water-resistant. What we don't like. The inner lining might not be durable. Number 5. Best Eco-Friendly. Nidoul Travel Laundry Bag. Nidoul's waterproof laundry bag is available in various colors and designs. It is designed for indoor and outdoor use, and the drawstrings lock tightly to prevent your clothes from falling. The bag measures 24 by 36 inches, making it ideal for storing 3 to 4 loads of laundry. It is made of nylon and double-stitched for durability. Further, the bag is eco-friendly and safe for everyone to use. What we like. Waterproof, fade-resistant, multi-purpose, shrink-proof, keeps clothes odorless. What we don't like. Might not be white enough. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.